how to grow in containers and grow bags, my container garden. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to talk about container gardening and how you don't need if you don't have space to garden in the garden like this, you can still grow a lot of vegetables in containers. So I'll talk about container gardening and I'll show you my container garden and a lot of stuff that I'm getting from the container garden. You can do it. You can grow it on the balcony, you can grow it on the backyard, you can grow it anywhere there's enough sunlight. All you need is containers or grow bags, and you should be able to grow anything that you want for vegetables, and especially if you get a good amount of sunlight in your area or in your backyard or around your house, you should be able to grow some of these things. So you don't need a garden like this right here. You don't need a big garden like this to grow vegetables. You can grow it in containers. So let's take a look. Let me show you what I have growing in containers and how you can do the same and be able to get your foods, your vegetables from your container or grow bag garden. So let's go. So take a look at what I'm growing in containers over here. This is inside my greenhouse. As you can see, this is sweet bitter leaf, and you can see the leaves, you can see the production, and all these are growing in a container. You can grow in all sorts of containers and grow bags, so you can see how well this is doing. Like I said, the most important thing is having a container and have good quality potting mix. I have a video that shows you how to make your own potting mix. If you don't want to buy potting mix from the store, you can make potting mix and save a lot of money. So here you can see the other things that I'm growing in containers over here. These are all grow bags right now. I'm growing all these in grow bags, as you can see, and the leaves, from the leaves you can see that it's doing really well. All of them are producing very well, and we're gonna be able to get a lot of vegetables this summer from our container garden. So over here I have sweet bitter leaf. This one right here is anchia, and as you can see, the anchia is doing very well. Sweet bitter leaf is also doing very well. And over here I have pepper on the right. So you can plant a lot of variety of vegetables in containers. You just need a good size container for bigger items, but you can do very well. Look at other anchias over here that are also doing very well. So like I said, just make sure that you have good quality potting mix or compost, and then use any container. Food grade container will be best, or grow bags. I'll see if I can put the link in the description for some of the best grow bags that I use. You can try them. If you don't have them, you can try grow bags. Grow bags are very flexible, very good to use, and they are very good for your plants too, because the roots don't get clogged up inside the the roots are protected, and they don't curl up inside like a ball. So over here I'm growing in other containers, smaller containers right here, and you can see there's a lot of production. We already harvested like twice from these containers, and you can get a lot of production from them. Just make sure that you water it regularly. That's one of the drawdowns of growing in containers, is that you have to water it more often than the garden, but once a day should be fine, and you don't have to worry about it. If you have bigger containers, then you don't have to worry too much, because bigger containers you don't need to water it as regular as small tiny containers. So you can see here we have peppers over here, and they're already producing flowers over there. We have sweet bitter leaf right there in the back. So I'm growing also water leaf. So you can get a lot of different things in containers and be able to grow your vegetables in containers. So I have a lot of other videos that show you various things that you can plant in containers, and also how you can plant those things in containers. So check out my videos. It gives you various ways to start your seeds, various ways to get seedlings from plants, and how to make your own fertilizer that you can apply, or some of the best fertilizer. I also have another video that shows you some of the best fertilizers that you can buy if you want to buy them. I'll also see if I can put the link to some of those in the description. So all you need to grow your own food is there. All you need is container and seed starting mix or potting mix, and then you're all set. You can grow vegetables like these. So let me know in the comments below if you grow in containers or intend to grow in containers. And if you have any other questions or comments, just leave them in below. I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. But you can definitely get a lot of food production in containers like these and be able to feed your family. You might not be able to get everything, but it will reduce your bills on food and vegetables and stuff like that. So hopefully this helps you out. So over here we have another variety of things that we're growing in containers. Okay, let me show you what we have outside. So over here I have a variety of vegetables that I'm growing over here. You have sweet bitter leaf right here. You have pepper. It's growing in the grow bag right there, and you have pepper, bell pepper, it's coming out already. Same with this over here. This is eggplant, garden egg, and as you can see that it's coming out already, and I'm growing it in the 5-gallon container. Same thing over here, pepper. You have water leaf that I'm growing over here. Same with it over here. I have tomatoes that I'm growing. I have water leaves. I have sweet bitter leaf. I have asparagus right here that's growing. If you saw my video, the zucchini, I'm growing zucchini over here in container. I'm growing some mint, bunching onion right here, and over here I'm growing potatoes. And potatoes, I know you can see the potato leaves right now because it's being covered by pumpkin, but I have potatoes in these containers right here. Gonna be harvesting them soon. And I also have pepper right here, and also have some sweet bitter leaf right there. And also on this side, let me show you what I have over here. I have some in this container. I have salad mix, microgreens over here. I have a raised bed over here that has a lot of sweet bitter leaf. So you can do a raised bed, you can do container. And over here I have my strawberry patch over here. Same over here. I have strawberries. I have peppers over here. Over here I have onion. I have corn. There's a video coming up on that. So I'm growing this kale and broccoli right here. So you can grow kale and broccoli in container. Kale and collard green, sorry, not broccoli. Kale and collard green I'm growing in container. And here is another big container that I'm growing potatoes. I have 2 huge containers over here. If you saw one of my videos that I'm growing 30-gallon container, growing potatoes in big containers like this. And here we go. Here are some of the other containers that I'm growing different items. So you can definitely grow a lot of stuff in containers like this, and you'll be able to get what you need for the family, and be able to feed your family with vegetables like that. So you can grow it outside, you can grow it in a greenhouse, you can grow it on the balcony, you can grow it anywhere that you have enough sunlight. You will be able to get some vegetables. So okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.